In this video, I am going to show you how to play FIFA with two controllers of PS5 or PlayStation 5. So, to play FIFA or EAFC with two controllers on PS5, so first of all, just go and turn on your PS5. Of course, also, you will need to have two controllers ready and charged. If they are not charged, you will need to plug the cable on your PS5 and also to your controller if it's not charged yet. So connect the first controller normally by basically turning on the controller. So you'll have to click on the P button or PlayStation icon in the middle. So turn on the first controller normally. It should get connected to the PS5. If it's not, you'll have to plug the cable so it can be detected. Once you're done, turn on the second controller by pressing again the PS button or the PlayStation logo in the middle. And PS5 will ask you who is using the controller. You will have, as an example, your main account. If you've never played with two controllers and you have only one account, just go and create another account. You can add it very easily. So choose another user profile if you have multiple accounts, or choose even to play as a guest if you don't want to create an account. And as an example, the person that's playing with you is gonna play once and never come back. So yeah, then you can go and open your FIFA or EA Sports FC, go to kickoff, and when you reach the site selection, just one controller move it to the right and one move it to the left. So controller one should, as an example, go to the left, and the second one should go to the right. So one will be a team and the other should be another team. Of course, if the controller, you can start the match right away. You can also change the settings if you want, like shooting, crossing, and everything else. So if the second controller somehow doesn't connect as well, you will need to plug the PS5 with a USB cable with the controller so it can be detected as well. And this is like the golden rule of controllers, of PS5 controllers, or basically a PS controller. If it didn't connect using the normal way, just use the cable and it should be detected with no problem. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.